Have you ever dreamed of making money while sitting comfortably at home, with a cup of coffee in hand and no bosses around? Well, today, we're going to talk about that dream and turn it into reality. In this video, we'll explore the most innovative and effective ways to generate income online, adapted to modern times. Now, let's talk about myths. Those digital fairy tales they've sold us about making money on the internet. First myth: making money online is easy and fast. False. Like any worthwhile adventure, it requires effort, skills, and above all, patience. Don't be fooled by those who promise instant riches. True online success is a marathon, not a sprint. Second myth: you need to be a tech genius. Another common mistake. Although technology plays an important role, the diversity of online opportunities means that there is space for everyone, regardless of your technical skills. Are you creative? There's a place for you. Love teaching? E-learning is waiting for you. Every skill has its space in cyberspace. And the last myth, but not least important, making money online is not safe. It's true there are scams, but there are also countless legitimate and safe opportunities. Now that we've cleared the path of myths and misunderstandings, it's time to be inspired by some real success stories. They are examples of ordinary people who have achieved extraordinary achievements online. Meet Laura, a graphic designer who turned her passion for digital art into a thriving business selling her designs on e-commerce platforms. It started as a hobby, but now her creations are used worldwide, from websites to marketing materials. Then there's Carlos, a gastronomy enthusiast who started a YouTube channel making recipes and teaching his followers how to cook. With dedication and a genuine passion for his subject, he has amassed over 4 million subscribers on his cooking channel and now lives comfortably thanks to the passive income his channel generates, while continuing to work on what he loves most. And finally, we have Sophia, a single mother who found an opportunity in affiliate marketing. Without a large initial capital, she used her social media skills to promote products and services, generating significant income from home while taking care of her family. I've only changed the names of the people, but these stories are real, and they show that, with creativity, dedication, and strategy, online success is within reach of everyone. Each of these people started from scratch, learning and growing step by step. And you? What will your success story be? No matter your starting point, what matters is where you're willing to go. And speaking of starting, now we'll explore the most effective and current ways to make money online. From freelancing to cryptocurrencies, we've got you covered with the latest trends. So keep your curiosity alive, because what comes next will change the way you see work on the internet. We now enter the heart of our video, the multiple and fascinating ways to make money on the internet in this year 2024. Get ready, because the variety is impressive, and there's something for every skill, interest, and level of experience. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is not just a form of work, it's a lifestyle. In 2024, the freedom and flexibility it offers are unparalleled. But how do you start and succeed as a freelancer? First, identify your skills. Are you a natural writer, a talented programmer, a creative designer? Whatever your skill, there's demand in the digital world. Then, it's time to build your personal brand. Create an online portfolio that showcases your work and skills. Platforms like Behance for designers, GitHub for developers, or even a personal blog can be your best allies in this. The key is consistency and building a reputation. At first, it can be challenging to get your first clients. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr can be a good starting point. Here, it's crucial to maintain a high standard of quality and meet deadlines. With each successful job, your reputation will grow, and with it, your opportunities and rates. Additionally, networking is essential. Join online communities, participate in industry events, and connect with other freelancers. Often, your network can be a significant source of referrals and projects. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we buy and sell. In 2024, it's a more diversified and accessible industry than ever. If you have a product to sell, e-commerce opens doors to a global market. To start, choose the right platform. Do you want to build your own store with Shopify, or do you prefer to use Amazon's reach with its FBA program? Each option has its pros and cons. Shopify gives you more control and customization, while Amazon offers a vast market but with more competition. Success in e-commerce depends on several factors. The quality of the product is fundamental, but equally important is your digital marketing strategy. Learn about SEO, social media marketing, and online advertising to attract customers to your store. Good inventory and logistics management are also vital, especially if you sell physical products. Additionally, customer service is crucial. A satisfied customer can become an ambassador for your brand, while a bad experience can quickly damage your reputation. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for those who have the ability to influence and persuade. Essentially, you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. The first step is to choose your niche. What is your area of interest or expertise? It could be technology, beauty, fitness, cooking, or anything else. Then, select products or services you believe in and that align with your audience. Building an audience is the next step. Whether through a blog, a YouTube channel, Instagram, or TikTok, you need a platform where you can share content and recommend products. Quality and authentic content is king here. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more effective your affiliate marketing will be. An effective strategy is to offer added value. For example, if you promote a cookbook, you could create a video showing a recipe from the book. This not only showcases the product in action, but also provides useful and entertaining content to your audience. And remember, transparency is crucial. Make sure to inform your audience that your links are affiliate, maintaining trust, and complying with regulations. 4. Digital content creation. In 2024, creating digital content is more than just sharing your daily life or hobbies. It's a legitimate way to build a career and generate income. Whether on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, or emerging platforms, the possibilities are broad. First, choose your niche and your platform. What are you passionate about? What is your area of expertise? It could be cooking, technology, education, entertainment, anything that sparks your interest and that of an audience. Then, decide which platform you'll fit best. YouTube is excellent for long videos, Twitch for live streams, Instagram for visual content, and so on. Once established, start creating quality content. This means investing in good equipment, a decent camera, microphone, editing software, but also in developing your skills as a creator. Learn about video editing, photography, script writing, and storytelling. Content that educates, entertains, or inspires tends to perform better. Consistency is key. Set a publishing schedule and stick to it. As your audience grows, explore different ways of monetization, direct advertising, sponsorships, memberships, merchandise, or even super chats on platforms like YouTube and Twitch. Lastly, interact with your audience. Respond to comments, conduct polls, create content based on their suggestions. The more engaged your audience is, the more success you'll have.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
5. Courses and e-learning. The e-learning market is booming, and in 2024, creating and selling online courses is more accessible than ever. Whether you're an expert in marketing, a yoga teacher, a photography enthusiast, or a professional in any field, there's an audience waiting to learn from you. Start by identifying your area of expertise and the type of course you could offer. Is it a practical course? Theoretical? A combination of both? Then, plan the structure of your course. Define the modules, lessons, and resources you'll include. Once you have your plan, it's time to produce your course. This can range from simple recordings with your smartphone to more elaborate productions with professional equipment. The important thing is that the content is clear, informative, and engaging. Use different formats like videos, PDFs, quizzes, and tasks to make it interactive and effective. Choosing the right platform is crucial. You can use sites like Udemy or Coursera, which have a large audience but take a part of your earnings, or you can opt to sell your course on your own website, which requires more work in marketing and sales but gives you more control and potential for higher earnings. Promote your course through your social networks, email marketing, and collaborations with other content creators. Reviews and testimonials from satisfied students can be a powerful tool to attract more students. Remember, online education is not just about selling a product. It's about sharing knowledge and creating a learning community. Your passion and desire to teach are as important as the course content itself. 6. Investments in cryptocurrencies and NFTs. The world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is dynamic and constantly evolving. In 2024, these forms of digital assets offer unique investment opportunities but also require deep understanding and care. First, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies are not just forms of electronic money. They are the basis of a decentralized financial ecosystem. To get started, educate yourself about the different cryptocurrencies, how they work, and what their fundamentals are. Then, learn about crypto exchanges and digital wallets, as they are essential for buying, selling, and storing your cryptocurrencies. Now, the NFTs. These unique digital assets have revolutionized how digital art, music, and other collectibles are bought and sold. If you're interested in investing in NFTs, it's crucial to understand their intrinsic value. What makes them unique? Who is the creator? What is their potential for appreciation? Like any artwork, an NFT's value is largely determined by its rarity and demand. For both cryptocurrencies and NFTs, a solid investment strategy is vital. Diversify your investments, maintain a long-term approach, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, continuous research and education are your best allies in this exciting yet volatile world. 7. Cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is another facet of the crypto world that has garnered much attention. In essence, mining involves validating transactions on the blockchain and securing the network in exchange for a cryptocurrency reward. But how does it work? And is it profitable? First, you need to understand the technical process. Mining requires specialized hardware, such as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, for Bitcoin or powerful graphics cards for other cryptocurrencies. This hardware solves complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks on the chain. The key aspect to consider is profitability. Mining consumes a lot of electrical power, and the hardware can be expensive. Additionally, the mining difficulty and the value of the cryptocurrency fluctuate, affecting your potential gains. It's essential to conduct a detailed analysis of energy costs, hardware costs, its efficiency, and the current market situation of cryptocurrencies to determine if mining is a viable option for you. In 2024, mining is not just for enthusiasts with high-tech equipment. Mining pools allow individuals to join forces to increase their chances of earning rewards, making mining more accessible. Cryptocurrency mining is a serious commitment and should be approached with careful planning and consideration. Like any investment, it comes with its risks and there are no guarantees, but for those properly equipped and informed, it can be a lucrative way to participate in the cryptocurrency market. 8. Online consulting and coaching. The demand for online consulting and coaching has grown tremendously. Whether in business, finance, health, personal development, or any other field, sharing your expertise through consulting is an excellent way to make money. To start, identify your area of specialization and the target audience that would benefit from your knowledge. Then, establish your online presence through a professional website and social media profiles. Offer initial free sessions to attract clients and build your reputation with testimonials and referrals. Coaching and consulting require effective communication skills and a true desire to help others reach their goals. Additionally, staying updated in your field is crucial to offering valuable and current service. 9. App and software development. App and software development remains a lucrative field. With technology advancing rapidly, there's always a demand for new and better software solutions. If you have programming skills, consider identifying a problem you can solve with an application or software. Innovation and utility are key. You can work independently or collaborate with other developers to bring your idea to the market. Remember, it's not just about coding. You also need skills in user interface design, user experience, and an understanding of the market to ensure your product meets a real need and has an attractive design. 10. Domain and website trading. Trading domains and websites can be a smart and profitable investment. It involves acquiring domains with potential or existing websites, improving them, and selling them for a higher price. To start, research to find domains with attractive names or websites with potential for improvement. Then, develop the websites, improving their content, design, and SEO to increase their value. It's important to stay abreast of current market trends and have a good buying and selling strategy. This type of trade requires patience and a clear understanding of the domain and website market. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to turning your digital dreams into reality. Remember, success online is a journey, not a destination. Every step forward is progress, and every learning experience is a victory. And so, friends, we come to the end of our journey today. We've explored the vast and exciting world of making money online in 2024, debunking myths, sharing inspiring stories, and uncovering key tools and strategies. I hope this video has equipped you with valuable knowledge and inspired you to take your first steps or continue your path in the thrilling digital world. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Which of these strategies interested you the most? I'd love to know. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, success is within your reach. Goodbye and good luck.